Would you like to improve your digital marketing strategies to increase sales through email campaigns? With the scheduled email sender program, the perfect solution is at your fingertips. And you can switch between dark mode and light mode according to your preference. This program supports sending to all email providers, and you can also use Gmail or your professional email via SMTP. You can test your connection to the email service before sending to ensure the process is successful. You can also format your emails in a way that suits you by changing the fonts and colors, including images, attachments, and links, and by adding formatted HTML codes to make your messages look professional, similar to landing pages. You can add an unlimited mailing list and manage it by selecting a text file from your device for automatic sending. You can schedule emails by selecting specific days and times for automatic sending with ease and accuracy. You can also control the interval between each message with a fixed or random timing. Additionally, you can specify the number of messages after which sending will be paused for an hour to protect your messages from being blocked. You can monitor the sending status with successful or failed messages and retry sending multiple times if it fails to ensure delivery to the entire email list. You can also pause the sending process, edit the sent email or message content, and then resume sending to complete the delivery to the rest of the email list. Ultimately, the messages will be delivered in a well-organized and secure manner to the mailing list you sent them to, encouraging recipients to subscribe to your services. Take advantage of this professional program now at a competitive price and start improving your email marketing strategy.